Kickstart 2021 with this bargain. Get unlimited cloud storage and file hosting at an insanely low one-time price. No monthly fees ever, that's our promise. Fair warning. After every hour the price goes up, so act now to claim your 81% discount or come later and pay more. Already over hundreds of customers have shifted to Instadrive due to its never-ending perks. It's making life easier for hundreds of people globally. Every day with its great service and high-end security protocols. Fair warning. After every hour the price goes up, so act now to claim your 81% discount or come later and pay more. Dear beginner, we've been in the digital space for over 17 years of combined experience, and we create loads of content every single day. We personally felt the need of a secure solution to just store our data securely. And anything which will have more to offer than just storage can turn out to be quite risky when it comes to security. We know you must have faced issues with storing your data, especially when thousands of people are facing issues with storing their data. Your important documents, photos of your friends and family, videos of important events in your life, your projects, and media less of your previous work, all the content you've created ever since, and other important data, which meant a lot to you. All of this can be lost or can even put you in a lot of trouble. Nearly 1 of 2 people, 48%, lose data every year. Shocking. It surprised us at the RST glance, but then we dug in deeper and realized that all these above stated incidents are too common, and every second person has faced it on average at least in every 5 years. The solution to all of this is to own an online cloud storage. But RST, I want to introduce you to this new Google update. Here's a reality check for you. Google Photos storage is going to disappear on June 1, 2021. Even giants like Google, Dropbox, Mediafire, iCloud and more are ready to make you pay over $200 or even more on average every month, or you just end up losing all your data. This was way too traumatizing for us. So we came up with a solution which is by people for people who just want a secure and cheap cloud storage experience. We wanted to build something which solely does only one simple thing, and that is to store data. No other sister services, no hidden pathways and backdoors. Just one secure place to keep everything at one place. Introducing world's first cloud storage with unlimited storage capacity for businesses, organizations, and individuals who create and store tons of data every day with the most user-friendly cloud storage dashboard in the world. We didn't bulk it up with features which real people never use. So you can ND the stuff you need much more easily. We just wanted to build something which can help eliminate the ridiculously costly monthly expenses for limited storage offered by world-dominant giants like Google and Dropbox. And let's not forget that these cloud storage giants also deal with other services, and your data can be at risk due to their compromised link sharing. This could risk your privacy, and suspicious entities can study your interests and decision-making patterns for ad targeting and other interest-based actions taken mentally, physically, politically, etc. in real life and even on the internet. Hence we made something which only deal with and offers just one simple solution of online cloud storage service, and is totally dedicated to do that only. Here's some most important features of See Instadrive in action. Fair warning. After every hour the price goes up, so act now to claim your 81% discount or come later and pay more. Let me introduce you to the full potential of Instadrive. Check this comparison with leading online storage apps. Instadrive can help you deliver media, and can be a great tool for any profession, which include. Instadrive is so much user-friendly you don't need any technical experience. Just gotta drag and drop lay from your PC to Instadrive and secure it forever. Here are the total value you are getting today. When upgrading to Pro version. When upgrading to Pro version. Fair warning. After every hour the price goes up, so act now to claim your 81% discount or come later and pay more.